The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has sparked debate and concerns about its potential impact on the job market. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, there is a growing apprehension that AI may replace human employees, leading to widespread unemployment. We are not amazed at this fact. Every one of us must have thought about whether we will lose our job due to the advancement of artificial intelligence. We will explore the current state of AI technology, its advantages and limitations, and examine various industries to assess the potential impact of automation on jobs. Join us on this interactive journey to uncover the future of human work. AI technology has made significant strides in recent years thanks to breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI systems are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks, leading some to believe that they could eventually outperform humans in various domains. However, it is important to note that AI is still far from achieving true general intelligence, and its current capabilities are largely focused on specific tasks. With advancements in machine learning algorithms, AI has excelled in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language understanding, and data analysis. A notable example is the development of chatbots and virtual assistants that can handle customer inquiries and provide support without human intervention. Despite these advancements, AI still struggles with certain complex tasks that humans excel at. AI systems often lack contextual understanding, common sense reasoning, and the ability to handle unpredictable situations. While they can process vast amounts of data and make predictions based on patterns, they may struggle in ambiguous scenarios that require human intuition and empathy. Imagine that you are an AI tasked with helping a customer who is having a problem with their product. The customer is frustrated and angry, and they are not communicating clearly. The AI may struggle to understand the customer's problem and to provide them with the help they need. The manufacturing industry has experienced automation for decades, with robots replacing human workers in repetitive and physically demanding tasks. While this has resulted in job displacement, it has also created new roles that require advanced technical skills to operate and maintain automated systems. Automation in manufacturing has led to increased productivity, improved product quality, and reduced cost. Robots and AI-driven machines can perform tasks with precision and consistency, eliminating human errors and increasing efficiency. However, this automation has also led to concerns about job losses, particularly for low-skilled workers who were primarily engaged in repetitive assembly line work. To address this challenge, industries and governments need to invest in retraining and upskilling programs to equip workers with the skills needed to operate and maintain automated systems. The emergence of self-driving cars and trucks has raised concerns about the future of jobs in the transportation sector. While AI-powered vehicles have the potential to increase safety and efficiency, the transition to full autonomy will likely be gradual, allowing time for job transitions and retraining. A more optimistic view is that AI will augment human capabilities rather than entirely replace them. AI systems can assist humans in making better decisions, increasing productivity, and improving overall performance in various professions, such as healthcare, finance, and research. In the healthcare sector, for instance, AI algorithms can analyze medical data, assist in diagnosis, and recommend treatment options. However, the final decision-making remains in the hands of human doctors who bring their clinical expertise and empathy to the table. AI acts as a powerful tool that enhances the abilities of healthcare professionals, enabling them to provide more accurate and personalized care. Similarly, in finance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights for investment decisions. However, the final investment choices are made by human portfolio managers who consider factors beyond the scope of AI, such as market trends, risk appetite, and client preferences. As certain tasks become automated, the nature of jobs will evolve, requiring workers to develop new skills that complement AI technology. Adaptability and continuous learning will be crucial in staying relevant in the workforce of the future. This shift in job roles presents an opportunity for workers to develop new skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence, which are difficult to replicate in machines. But are all jobs equally vulnerable to automation? Or are there certain skills that will remain uniquely human? Professions that rely heavily on emotional intelligence, such as therapy, counseling, and customer service, are less likely to be fully replaced by AI. In therapy and counseling, human interaction and empathy play a crucial role in establishing trust and providing emotional support. While AI chatbots can assist in some basic therapeutic interactions, they cannot replace the deep emotional understanding and connection that humans can provide. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries and provide information, but they may struggle with complex customer needs and the ability to empathize with individual situations. Human customer service representatives excel in understanding customer emotions, resolving complex issues, and providing personalized solutions. Human creativity remains a distinctive trait that sets us apart from machines. Fields involving artistic expression, design, and innovation are less susceptible to automation, as they require a unique blend of imagination, intuition, and originality. Creativity is a human trait that allows us to generate new ideas, think outside the box, and come up with innovative solutions. While AI algorithms can assist in generating ideas and providing suggestions, they lack the inherent ability to imagine and conceptualize entirely new concepts. Professions in the fields of art, music, writing, and design rely on human creativity to produce works that evoke emotions and resonate with audiences. AI can be used as a tool to enhance the creative process, but it cannot replace the essence of human expression and originality. AI systems must be developed and deployed with ethical guidelines in place to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability. Trust in AI technology is crucial for its widespread acceptance and successful integration into various industries. As AI becomes more prevalent in decision-making processes, it is essential to address concerns regarding bias, privacy, and the potential for misuse. The impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on jobs is a hotly debated topic. Some experts believe that AI will lead to mass job losses, while others believe that it will create new jobs and opportunities. The truth is that it is still too early to say for sure what the impact of AI on jobs will be. However, there is some evidence to suggest that AI is already having an impact on some jobs. According to a study by McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost to automation by 2030. However, the study also found that up to 950 million new jobs could be created by AI, so the overall impact on jobs is likely to be mixed. Here are some skills that we should learn to withstand in this world where AI is dominating. AI is good at following instructions and completing tasks, but it is not good at critical thinking. So we need to be able to think critically and solve problems on our own. It is important to remember that AI is not a threat to humanity. AI is a tool that can be used for good or bad. It is up to us to decide how we will use AI. The debate surrounding AI replacing human employees is complex and multifaceted. While some jobs may be automated, the overall impact will likely be a transformation of work rather than wholesale replacement. Share your thoughts on this matter through the comments section. We hope you've already tapped the like button. If not, do it now. See you next time with yet another interesting content. Till then, farewell.